how to allow or deny access permission to calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. Now scroll down and then tap on permission manager. In here, tap on calendar. Next, go down and tap on the app that you want to grant or deny the permission. So for example, Messenger here. So you can choose allow. So allow Messenger to access the calendar or don't allow. So select one of the permissions and then tap on the back key, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.